Right, okay, here we go. So, 2 trades today. Let me just start out with the one that did not work, because GE, if you look clearly, it worked pretty well. And I'm still in it with a final stop at just above 18. But let me just go over FRTA. Both of these, well, FRTA is from Pat's watch list, and I broke even on it pretty much broke even. Even though it should have been a nice trade, I just probably didn't trade it right. As soon as it opened, because if you look at yesterday's work, as Pat was saying, it had this wall, and it wouldn't be a bad risk to just jump in straight at the 9. So as soon as it opened, I went in, and I was gonna risk off these to after hours or pre-market, whatever this is, spots or whatever you want to call them. And as soon it just shot up soon, and I stopped out half, and then right away it started coming back down, and then it started making a trend, and as soon as I saw it kind of tap my view up, come back down, I drew this trend line, and I collected some profits at the VWAP, and then a rejected VWAP, collected more profits, and then collected more profits on that fail, and I think after that I pretty much maybe broke even, or maybe it was a little bit under still, I don't know. Because this trade doesn't really matter to me, and I'm just going over it real quick just because I need to. But added to the position, and then just it was very small size, so collected profits multiple times, and that was pretty much it. Pretty much broke even on this trade. I don't want to spend too much time on that one because the trade of the day is GE. And real quick about GE, it's very everyone in the chat was talking about it. It has really big news, or had really big news about they cut their dividends in half, and that's pretty easy to acknowledge the fact that if you cut your dividends in half, then you have investors that are, and if you look, I should have showed you that. If you look at the daily chart right here, it's already a pretty shitty moving stock right now. It's just been going down for quite a while. So the fact that they cut their dividends in half is kind of a huge confirmation to that it's going to have a really big day for shorts, and it did. It was pretty obvious. And I traded this. I had a lot of ads and covers and ads and covers, profit taking. My first entry was the line in the sand. The line in the sand entry. It broke the line in the sand from yesterday's lows. Yeah, from yesterday's lows, and as soon as it broke yesterday's lows, I got in. It jumped up. It was coming back up to VWAP a little bit. I just added to the position, added more to the position, and then collected profits right here. I'm definitely not going to go over everything I did on this one, just because a lot has happened on it. It's just basically me adding to position on trend lines that I've drawn, and then collecting profits as it goes down, and then just repeating. And it's been doing that all day, and now that it's lunchtime, it seems like it's coming, it's stopping the coming down, but I wouldn't be surprised. I have this final stop because I have 100 shares left, and my final stop is just above 18, because I figured if it breaks 18, that's a whole number. If it breaks 18, I think that's a good place to stop out finally, and I'm already up a lot today, like 300 something. my original risk was around $50, $75. So this has just been a phenomenal trade overall. Just repeatedly getting in and out, but well, not in and out. Just taking profits and then adding to the position. I might have done it a little bit more than I should have, but I made a lot of money doing it. So, but this is paper trading and there's no commission, so I haven't factored that into it. You know, and on a normal day, I would not be taking this many positions, just going in and out like this. But this is kind of like a special day for GE. So yeah, that's my only 2 trades for today, and I don't plan on taking any more because I'm finishing, or because I'm already up so much. This is a record day for me for November. Let me look at my calendar that I made for November. So on the 1st of November, I made 184. 2nd of November, 243. 3rd of November, 133. And then after those first 3 days of just, I think my risk was probably a lot higher, so I was making more money. I started getting into capital preservation mode, and my profits started getting smaller. So on the 6th, I made 78. Had a bad day on the 7th and lost 89. On the 8th, I made 37. On the 9th, I made 54. On the 10th, I made 49. And then yesterday, on the 13th, I made 42. So it's just been a lot of small green days so far, and then today is my, it's definitely my biggest day so far, so this is a nice day. And it's not over yet. I see that right now. I mean, if it can break this line in the sand right here, well, let's see, it's got a trend going on right here, and it looks like it's breaking that trend. But yeah, I mean, I just wanted to make my trade recap, so I'm just going to step away from the screen and let this run. And if anything, if it just stops out, it stops out. But, this could run for days. This could be a weekly runner. I just don't see any reason to get out with all the bad news that's coming out. Yeah, let me just make that trend line real quick. Yeah, it's kind of just sitting on that trend line. See how it reacts to that, because it's like it maybe doesn't want to break, but it does want to break. But yeah, that's it. That's my day today. GE, huge winner. FRTA, break even on what should have been a pretty good winner, but overall, really nice day. Oh wow, it's definitely breaking that trend. I don't want to add to the position anymore because I've traded it enough today. I'm kind of tired of it. But I feel like that might be a good place to add, just as that breaks that trend. I haven't even looked at any of these stocks on my normal watch list. Actually, I did look at what was it? I was looking on my phone earlier at I don't think it was Baba, but this is interesting. I'm not gonna take any more trades today, but I'm still gonna maybe watch. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Oh, Tesla's what I was looking at. Yeah. This is setting up for the play I like. Still has some time to go though, and I'm not taking any more trades today. So yeah, that's about it. I should have ended this video already, but yeah, thanks for watching.